Good. Wow, this looks good. No, shake it off first. On the box. Good. So we got a lot of bees. Bees and walk with your foot. Good. Take out the. Then go down. Come on, let me see, Nate. Yeah. Esther. Turn the other side, Nathan. Wow. Yeah. Healthy hive. No, don't fight over for weed and you feel. Sting and sting it, but don't sting you already. Shake. Funnel. One touching good on it. Yeah. How does it help on the frame look?
It looks great. A lot of active bees.
You saw the other side? Check the other side of the comb.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Healthy queen.
It's really nice.
Good. This motion of bumping is for the mite. Prolapse mite may be on the frame, so if it's there, the vibration of bumping will cause the mite to fall into the pan. It's microscopic, so you won't be able to identify it with our naked eyes. So that's why the bumping method is being used.
Joel.
Alright, there's some specks of honey here. We are in the apiary at West Watuka. These beekeepers here were trained by Kingdom Apiary, and we are here to check for pest and disease to make sure that the hives are healthy, or the apiary here is healthy.
There is no frame, no wire in this.
No.
In this frame. See, spin this out.
Smoke the hive for the
That hive, it has such good qualities, like I believe fruit pattern is nice, bubble. So like, if I was wanting to make more hives, I would probably
Man, you humble yourself, but
just say what you say to her again, Amy. Explain what you say to her again, just now.
just one more hive to for our samples, all we need.
So that, this is pure West Watuka honey.
Just take the hive tool.
Just take the hive tool and...
Oh, I got permission.
Oh man, we do that when we... Put on smoke on this hive. Wow. Cardboard?
Yeah, you have to set it.
Yeah, shake and then we separate. Cardboard, cardboard.
Ready?
That's a beautiful sun. That's the best. You put in the bag. Separate the cones now.
Good. Put a roll down on this and aim it like that. Put one here.
Looks like a strong hive you guys have over there. Yeah.
Missed the nicest one. That last one.
Was it?
Fruit was beautiful.
All right.
Nice.
Excellent.
I'll
Stores?
send you the video.
Did it have stores, Amy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This larva is. You see how small it is? You see the little dashes of the eggs, young larva, and that's the age larva you want to put in a hive for them to make a queen. It has to be really, really young like this. Like these are too old. They won't be good. So it's gonna be really, really young. Yeah, tiny.
Are they 1 day old?
Well, there's some eggs and there's some just hatching.
Like a little shrimp.
Yeah, very tiny. That's the right age. Yes, ma'am.
Scodolata. Apis scodolata. Put on the top box, please. Somebody help here. Somebody help on this side. Oh boy. That wouldn't be a long strut anymore. That'd be a side strut. Cover. Shake.
No. Something wrong here. Oh, it's not a devil. Alright. Go ahead.
And as we can see, the chairman is going away with a lot of the Watuka bees on his hat. We have to do something about it. The chairman is taking away the bees. And we don't want that to happen. They're robbing the hive of the workers.
Where we would come together and replace some of the bees that swarm and also work as a team because we have acquired some knowledge from the workshop that we all went to and we would want to put it into practice. So I think teamwork.
It's more teamwork from the locals.
Yes.
Okay. You need help organizing that, or do y'all communicate well?
Well, we are now about putting that together because we have just finished our workshop and so on, and we are now about putting it together. So as we group ourselves together, then I think we'll see all the needs and all the things falling in.
Okay. So you think y'all got a good handle on it then? It just needs time to develop?
I think so. I think with the little knowledge that was given to us, and when we put ourselves together as a team, I think that we can have a way forward.
Great. That's good. Okay. Thank you.
And that knowledge came from Kingdom Apiary. If you look at the suit, it says Kingdom Apiary.
Yes.
See?
Kingdom Apiary.
Kingdom Apiary.
Kingdom Apiary.